Will Russia and Vladimir Putin be the reason for World War III? The First World War, or as popularly called World War I, simply saw the push to clip the wings of the rising Germany and the complete end of the Ottoman Empire, the largest in the world at the time. Many would not argue that the unsettled scores in World War I gave rise to World War II. Before we continue, I am Olamide Oke. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel and ring the notification bell so you are alerted when we release new videos. Please also like and share. We do appreciate. Now that you have done that, let's get back to the video. Hitler, the ultimate enemy of World War II, was part of the German military in World War I. He was unhappy with the way the war ended and felt Germany got the wrong end of the stick. Furthermore, the League of Nations, a body set up to resolve international conflicts, did not meet up to their expectations. Hitler first got hold of power at home before beginning his revenge tour, and the rest is history. While Hitler was truly bad, there's no denying that there were other persons who were almost as bad. Joseph Stalin and the Soviet Union had collaborated with Hitler and Nazi Germany to take down Poland from both sides, and they did. Stalin also joined the Allies because he saw it as an opportunity to get back at Hitler, who betrayed his trust and almost conquered Moscow. In 2025, we see similar traits to the causes of World War II. While vengeful actors are not present like Hitler, there are people who carry somewhat of their spirit, and some of them will be listed here. First situation is Putin and his obsession with Soviet Union. While Putin was not alive during the World War II, he definitely was present during the collapse of the Soviet Union. Just like Hitler, who was part of the German military and did not like how World War I ended, Putin is also not happy with the Soviet Union collapse and truly desires a reunification of some parts, if not all. Little wonder that Ukraine has become a battlefield when it appeared that they would join NATO. From our observation, Ukraine joining NATO was more of an excuse because in 2014, the same man invaded Ukraine and annexed Crimea, and there was no NATO conversation then. The second thing we see is the weakness of the United Nations. We said that the inability of the League of Nations to meet expectations led to World War II, and right now, the body that was set up to replace it is doing the same. The International Criminal Court might have proclaimed judgment on Putin, but no one would really arrest the president of the country with the largest nuclear arsenal in the world. While the EU has poured out sanctions, they really are not crippling enough. The third issue is about bad blood. Germany was defeated in World War II by the Allies, but technically it was Russia that got to Berlin first. Germany was accused of being a warmongering state at the time, and now Russia is not different. If anyone will let go, it wouldn't be Germany, at least not on the surface. Another country is France, who lost pride during World War II as they were defeated by Hitler. While you would expect that they would hold those grudges against Germany, they do more to Putin and Russia because at the time France was defeated. The Soviets were in bed with the Nazis. Then there is this issue of Poland, who got ruined over by Stalin and the Soviets from the east and had half of their country controlled by them. They are very conscious of a Putin invasion, know their country. A neighbor to Ukraine and Belarus will be a battlefield in a blink of an eye. In summary, while everyone in Europe is jittery about a possible Putin war, the man himself has been cautious. He has been building strong ties with Iran, India, China, and North Korea. Although some do not back his war effort like India, they do not oppose it. The fun fact about Putin compared to Hitler and Stalin is he would never wage a war that he is not certain he can win, and until he is absolutely sure, then all you will see from Russia is suppression, invade and withdraw, and gradually wear down the opposition. So a question for you. Do you think that World War III will ever break out? And if it did, do you think it will be Russia and Putin that start it? Leave your opinion in the comment section below. Until next time, take care guys.